Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are starting Nurani قاعدہ lessons. Okay. Today we read Nurani قاعدہ lesson Alif to Sa. Okay. And we are practice ta'awuz and tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ تعوذ, we read 4 steps. Okay, if you are a baby 2 year 3 year, okay, and you are parents, you teach and practice your children, your babies. تعوذ 4 steps. أعوذ 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 بالله. أعوذ. Try again. Okay. And make you sure your student copy this word and remember fully. Your next step, read and practice. Billahi, billahi, billahi. A'udhu billahi. 2 step and 3 step. Minash shaitanir, minash shaitanir, minash shaitanir, minash shaitanir. Okay. And finally last step, 4th step, rajim, rajim. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Now Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There are only 3 steps we practice. Bismillah, tasmiyah. Bismillahir, this is 1 step. Rahmanir, 2 step, and last step, final, Rahim. Okay, Rahim, Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. 3 step. Okay, and all. أعوذ Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And we are today alphabets Arabic Alif to Sa practice. Okay, please try again, practice and give your feedback. Alif, 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 Alif. Okay, this is very simple. Alif, Alif is correct, and Alif, this is not correct. Okay, Alif, this is not correct. Alif, this is not correct. Simple. Alif, this is very correct. Alif, 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 Alif. Okay, and next Ba, Ba, Ba. Okay, Ba, Ba, Ba. And this is Ba, correct alphabets, and this is not long and not very short. Okay, Ba, this is not correct. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, Ba, Ba, Ba. Okay, one. Okay, mashallah. Practice. Ba, this is correct, and Ba, this is not correct. This is short, no short. Ba, and ba, this is not correct, this is wrong. Okay, ba, ba, and next, and this is one dot. Okay, ba, this is one dot, and next ta, there are two dots. Okay, ta, ta, okay, ta, and there are two dots, and next is sa, 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 okay, sa, sa, sa. There are three dots, okay, up, okay, sa, 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 okay, join all alif to sa, alif, ba, ta, sa, alif, ba, ta, sa. Okay, to practice this lesson, and we are next lesson inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.